Right, what's up, traders? Happy Friday evening, right? So we're actually going to change it up here. Right, so we're going to get onto it in a bit, speak a little bit of markets, and then go about my day. We're getting a little bit of a lift off here on the indexes. But before we get going into it, this live stream is sponsored by Edgefield. So we'll speak about how I used Edgefield to actually make money trading the NASDAQ and the DAX this afternoon session, my time, obviously morning for the Eastern time, and get right into it, right? So let's actually pull that up as we speak. Right, as you can see, we're getting a little bit of lift off here on the NASDAQ and the Dow. I was looking for longs across the Dow as well later on, just the afternoon off this level here. So the red line is this 21 EMA. But some very, very good long positions for myself today. As you can see, let's just bring this up. Let's go to, we'll go over my Edgefield statistics and which reports I actually used to make money today. But 1K for the day, trading the DAX and the NASDAQ longs. I still felt I missed money on it. But today, that's the funny thing, is that I think today was quite a hot trading day personally, just, for the way that I like to trade. But I traded after NFP. I probably could have caught some of the move here. And then I still feel like today I could have been in these longs. But you know what? You can't catch every single move. Unfortunately, that is the reality of trading, right? So it's Friday evening my time, and I'm still putting in the work. So yeah, let's go over my day. So obviously made money today. We did have NFP, of course, right? So always a big always going to be a big market mover, right? That's just going to be always something I don't want to be positioned in going into heavy high impact news. But we got the longs, and I felt I could have traded the DAX after NFP. So we had the 5-minute bar. I thought I could have got in back after this and caught this move higher here. But we got back in later on a pullback. I like the 21 EMA on the 5-minute chart for my entries. So this was that. Trading above previous days. VWAP making bullish market structure all morning. I'm just looking to play the longs. So I'm looking to buy dips. We hold structure. I get back in and I add. Right, same as the NASDAQ trade. We had this longs, into NFP. I'm looking to play the longs today, so I got back in, and actually I added here, and this was live on ASFX TV. So if you started the stream, you would have seen my ASFX TV banner at the start, right? And you can watch me on ASFX TV 10:30 a.m. Eastern time every single week. But I actually added back into this trade over here. Again, I didn't get full 1 hour. I thought I could have done maybe scalp, maybe tighter stop. I did like the stop loss below here, but I felt maybe I could have been tight on the stops here. But anyway, I played the longs quite nicely today. I felt sticking to one side. So obviously, Credelli is my quote of the day. But as you can see, better day today. Small risk and stacking wins. Speed and size kill. One of our Black Shirt Club guys, Mark Ross, loves saying that's one of his favorite sayings. So I'll stuck to one side of the market. We can actually speak about how I actually use Edgefield and what I was kind of seeing. So coming into today, I knew I wanted to wait until the NFP numbers to come out, right? I think, again, just positioning yourself before NFP numbers is just silly in my opinion. Things can, spread widens, everything like that. I mean, it's unwise, let's put it that way, to position yourself, in my opinion, before the NFP numbers come out. So anyway, as you can see, stocks green across the board. Tesla up 3%, Nvidia up 1.3% above 124 now. Tesla trading almost above 250. So green, Mag 7, VIX down 8%. So not surprising to see stocks, up across the board. So wanted to play the longs today, particularly after waiting until the NFP numbers came out, right? So how I used that, we took our previous day's highs. So if we come here to Edgeful's report section, which we get to in a sec. So we come here, futures, and then favorites, right? And we come to previous day's range. We can come to the previous day's range report. And if you are watching this review live, I'm going to be doing my review lives. I mean, as I said, it's Friday night at almost 9 p.m. In the evening time, PM evening time, South African time, excuse me. It does get late when I do these daily report cards, daily reviews. But I'm going to be doing these every single day. So if you like these, you can join me live here on Twitter or YouTube. But as you can see on the NASDAQ, so let's go NQ. All right, let's go NQ here. And let's go last year, like this. So as you can see, if we take our previous day's highs, 78% of the time we actually close as a bullish day. So knowing that, I knew I wanted to stay long biased. The first hour actually after the open was bearish, but I knew that I wanted to play the longs because we had bullish, numbers on the NFP numbers. And we had taken our previous day's highs on the NASDAQ, and now we're getting some more rip here. You can't catch every single move, unfortunately. You're back above 20K. We're going to go back to all-time highs on the NASDAQ here, guys. So let's just look at the 50-minute time frame. I had this level also that I had drawn out. Since the Tuesday drop-off, obviously we had that big selling off on Tuesday, which is obviously, I mean, that feels like a week ago already. It's crazy how fast time actually goes. But anyway, we kept on making higher lows heading into the rest of the week. So higher lows after the Tuesday sell-off. I think the Tuesday was the striking, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, the Tuesday. Actually need to go over my daily report card. Sometimes you lose track of days here. But anyway, as I said, taking about our previous day's highs, I wanted, according to the H4 statistics, I wanted to actually stay long bias. Let's just go over here. Thursday, I know I was trading what was I trading yesterday? The NASDAQ to the high side. Okay, nice. Jeez, guys, sometimes I even forget, when you're scalping, you forget what trades you actually. Yes, yesterday was NASDAQ. Wednesday, I had all green week this week, which was quite nice. Wednesday was the Dow longs. Yeah. Wednesday was the Dow longs. And I think Tuesday was the Dow shorts. Yeah. Tuesday was the Dow shorts. Nice. Yeah, Tuesday was the Dow shorts after that, playing that continuation move. Okay, cool. So I think Monday was green too, if I'm not mistaken. Yep. So an all green week. Pretty solid my side. We'll take that. So as mentioned on the NASDAQ, we had a big sell-off on those strike news on Tuesday, and then we've been making high lows all week. Right? Look at that. I'm not going to, and then, some guys were just shorting off the highs here back towards the lows. That's not my money, right? I think knowing what my money has definitely been a plus. Just doing these daily reviews has just helped me so much. So anyway, we take out this level, and I'm looking to play the longs above that level over there. I knew that's what I wanted to be playing. And we get it. After NFP, we get the pullback back into daily VWAP, and I get the longs quite beautifully. I wanted to play some more longs, as mentioned. I just think you can't catch every single move, unfortunately. You also got to have a laugh too. You don't want to be sitting on the charts for 10 hours a day. I like after about 4 hours, about 4 hours, my mental capacity starts waning. So that's where I'm at, right? So now back above 250 on Tesla. So that was my day today. As mentioned, but let's speak about the 21 EMA on the 5-minute chart. I like using the 5-minute chart to trade the NASDAQ and the indexes. When I used to trade currencies, I love the 5-minute chart as well. So when trading on the 5-minute chart, using the 21 EMA as a short-term momentum guide. If we're trading above it, I'm going to be looking, for bounces off it, rejections off it. And if I'm trading below it, I'm looking for bounces as well off it, rejections off it. So using it kind of as an entry mechanism, right? If I'm long, I want to see bullish engulfing candles off it, looking to take it long. When I take trades, I took trades off the lows here, right? Looking to break through it and then hold that one side. That is telling me where momentum is playing. So really, really solid EMA that I do like to use for entries. So on my charts, we actually have the white line coming across the screen here is the previous day's highs. Over here is previous day's lows. The black is current day's VWAP, and then the blue, which I actually exited, is previous day's VWAP, like that, right? So everything was telling me that we wanted to stay long bias. We are holding above all of these VWAPs and telling me momentum is higher. Look at price action too, guys. For those that wanted, I know Roy or some of the guys were looking to shorten here that were in my live stream, and I was actually technically fading them. I did like the longs. I mean, I couldn't see the shorts. But using that Edgefield statistic, right? If you come over here, using that Edgefield statistic, the previous day's range report. So there's a couple of my favorite ones: the previous day's range report, the initial balance breakout, and then I also do like to use the opening candle continuation, right, report. But this previous day's range report is one of my favorite ones. If we take up previous day's highs and lows, we're trading with breakout momentum traders on higher time frames, right? So knowing that, there's also a little bit of a tip. You can actually do like this. So put in the Edgefield gap fill indicator, and you can get this on their website if you have their membership, right? Let's go like that. Edgefield gap fill. Trying to get an entry closer to this gap fill. If you're looking to buy up here, it's just, I don't think, a good price. So trying to get the entry closer to the gap fill price is a little bit better. The overnight extended hours. But if you do like these daily reviews, I'm going to be doing them live every single day. Weekly reviews and monthly reviews and everything like that. That good stuff will be recorded and posted on my YouTube. But for daily reviews, I'm going to be doing these live. This weekend, I'm going to be playing some golf tomorrow. And I do have a mate's function tomorrow as well. So it's going to be a good weekend. Hope you guys are going to get up to a good weekend as well. Make sure to check Edgefield out. It helps me a lot in terms of making actual decisions in my trading. As you can see, using the reports to actually physically come up with, I know exactly what I'm looking for when I'm on the desk. I think once you know how to manage risk and you know what your best trades look like, you can keep it quite tidy. Well, we really are picking up here, heading into the close. I wonder what the guys in the chat are thinking. Really, really are picking up here, heading into the close. So, yeah, look at this Dow. I mean, straight up. I look at that. So when we break the 21 EMA over here on the 5-minute chart, I mean, that's a nice bullish sign for me. You can use stop here, maybe at the lows, 100-point stop. I mean, moving pretty solidly into the close. I do find some clean trading sessions, heading into power hour as well. But Black Shirt Club guys, our mentorship has had a great week. We've had a great week on the live stream. So if you haven't checked me out on the live streams on asfx.tv, the link is in my bio, so come check me out there. But if you guys enjoy my live streams and my daily reviews, I am doing these every single day. So make sure to join me there. I appreciate you guys, everyone that does watch these reviews. And we'll see you then on Monday. Have a good weekend. Remember that there's more to life off the charts as well. So get some rest, get some exercise in, and keep it tidy. We'll see you guys on Monday.